What if I told you I found the perfect beach? Soft sand for miles, warm water, warm people, and the so fresh seafood. What if I told you about a fishing village that has dreams to host the world? Would you come? Will it lose its charm if I tell you about it? Can a pearl remain hidden once the oysters opened? Altata is an idyllic beach town on the Sea of Cortez, 45 minutes west of Culiacan. This fishing village has got the weather, the beaches, and the food for a life in paradise. But there's a problem. The fish have been depleted, and so too a way of life. And the solution? Well, it's me and you and everyone who loves spending time at the beach. And Altata is eager for us to come. But is that also a problem? Altata has plenty to offer, especially when it comes to food. In my kitchen,
They look so good!
fresh seafood recipes inspired by Sinaloa's hidden coastal gem. Creamy, spicy, to die for chipotle oyster soup.
Crazy good.
And shrimp machaca burritos to share with Alan.
This is something you can make at school when you go back to college.
I will.
Cheers.